I am a doctor and university professor. My passion is medical education. Transferring experiences, skills, surgical techniques to the doctors of the future. We need it so much. They call me preceptor, tutor. I simply consider myself a professional who loves his job. We are living in a digital world. Therefore, we are in the era of digital medical education. I wish to have a platform that allows me to invite doctors, surgeons, medical students, undergraduates, or graduates to technological medical conferences. A platform that allows me to show them the smallest details in a simple, intuitive, and immediate way. From different angles, without losing any aspect, interacting and answering their questions as if they were next to me. I would like them to follow me wherever they are, with a simple click, live from their mobile devices or on demand, whenever they want, like when they connect to YouTube, so that they can have an easy, quick, and complete learning. I would like them to be able to find everything related to the technique I'm using. Everything they need for the lesson, such as comparisons, opinions, and examples so they can learn effectively and efficiently. This is why I discovered MediaFactory, the advanced technological platform developed by MediaPower, an integrated system easy to use and ready for use at any time and in any place. Through the self-service registration kiosk, MediaFactory sends the invitation to doctors and students via email, WhatsApp, or any other social channels. In a few simple steps, they can enroll via the registration landing page, receive the login credentials to the platform, find the event on their calendar, and receive all the necessary preliminary information relating to the covered topics, such as medical specialists and professors that they will meet, technologies that will be used, and they will always be updated with notifications and reminders. In this way, they will be prepared and punctual the day of the lesson, and I will have the necessary information on the audience in real time. During the lesson, they will discover the real potential of MediaFactory platform. The operating room is transformed into a movie set. Up to 4 video cameras can capture every detail from different angles and different points of view. Animations, 3D models and graphics provide virtual simulations to support the explanation of the surgery. Medical and technical colleagues can contribute even from remote locations. I can interact with the students in real time by giving them all the answers to their questions. The participation will be very active, and I will be actor and director of the lesson at the same time. MediaFactory fully records the lesson. Students can see and review it on demand by accessing the platform. Everything is automatically indexed with the help of artificial intelligence, and the speech-to-text and text searchability features make searches quick and efficient. The search result is visible in a single page. Students can find documents, photos, videos, images, texts, and all the data they need, regardless of the format in which they were stored. In this way, they are sure to have consulted all kind of information in a complete and transversal manner. Thanks to the editing function, it is possible to review the lesson and prepare different versions. This allows you to highlight particular aspects, to direct students on specific topics. Through the analytics and reporting features, I have all the necessary information about how the students use and navigate the platform. Therefore, I know where they dwelled, what interests them most. I will be more and more punctual in meeting their needs. This is the MediaFactory platform. The digital archive, the database, the online encyclopedia that collects everything that has been produced and post-produced. With MediaFactory, students find all the necessary information for their professional training, and I can provide them all the needed elements in the best and technologically advanced way. MediaFactory is an intuitive, easy-to-use, interactive, integrated e-learning platform. MediaFactory offers a complete learning experience for rapid, innovative, and engaging learning. A scalable solution up to an unlimited number of users, built to last and grow. MediaFactory is developed by MediaPower, your trusted technology partner for integration, process optimization, and digital transformation.